Hello, Min. I'm so sorry. Okay, here. We just had sudden power interruption and I'm only using my mobile data. Is it okay if we'll extend for another 3 minutes instead?
Chúng tôi vừa chúng tôi vừa bị mất điện đột ngột và tôi chỉ đang sử dụng dữ liệu di động của mình. Có thể kéo dài thêm 3 phút nữa không?
Is that okay? Okay, thank you, Min. All right. So look at this one. I want you to draw a man who has got a beard. Okay, can you draw him? Okay, look.
No.
Draw a man who has got a beard.
Vẽ một người đàn ông có râu.
Let's draw. Okay, like for example, this one. Very good. Nice. Wow, very good. Yay, the beard. Yay, very good. Okay, so for this, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Great job, Min. Okay, so look at this one, Min. Look and complete the sentence. How about this one? What's this? It's a
Pillow.
It's a towel. Very good. What about this one?
Is a
Yes, a toothpaste. Okay, so the towel, the toothpaste, and blank are yellow. Think of something that is yellow.
shirt.
Yes, your shirt. Very good. Now draw the shirt. Let's draw a yellow shirt.
Okay.
Like this one. Like that. Very good, Mean. Nice. Yay. Okay. What about this one? Look, what's this?
It's a sofa.
Very an armchair. Armchair. Okay, what about this one? Big and long. We have sofa. This is an armchair and this is a sofa. An armchair is small or short, but the sofa is long. Okay, so look, you can find armchair, a sofa, and a blank in a living room. So look at your living room. What can you see? We can see
TV.
wow, very good. A television or a TV. Great job, Min. Okay, so we have here t-shirt and TV. Yay. Give me a high five, Min. Nice.
F1.
Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna give you another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for this, you have another, okay, one big star. Thank you so much for joining, Min. I hope you learned something. Bye, Min.
Bye.